What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. The other day I was at Home Depot buying paint, mind you, and accidentally stumbled into the outdoor cooking section, and I found this. A conversion kit for my Weber Spirit 2, 3, whatever. And I found this conversion kit for my Weber. Now I've been wanting to buy a outdoor griddle for a while, but as you've seen in the past, I don't have a whole lot of patio space left. So I thought perhaps we'll try this conversion kit and see if it is a viable option to cut down on some real estate on the old patio here. So I thought perhaps we'll have lunch together today. We're gonna set this thing up. We'll take a look at it for the first time together. And I picked up some stuff to make BLT sandwiches. So, let's open this box up and see what's going on. All right. So right here on the front it says full size, pre-seasoned, ready to use. That's good because I'm hungry. Effective grease management, which from the picture looks like it integrates into the grease trap that's already in there. Oh, and it's got instructions included. That's good. So let's go ahead and pop this open. Sure do got it taped together pretty well, I'll tell you that. What do we got here? One last thing. Get this so you guys can see it. Oh, we're blown away. Full-size griddle, 3 languages. That's ensuring. This is heavy. Heavy duty. Yeah, that's nice. Let's see here. Yeah. All right. Look at that. That's nice. So let's see here. Okay, so we do remove the grates, looks like. All right, seasoning your griddle. Important to prevent rust, do not remove griddle from protective bag until ready to use. Hand wash your griddle in warm soapy water, rinse and dry. Griddle must be completely dry before continuing the seasoning process. Note, this will be the only time you use soap and water on your griddle. Using a low lint paper towel or cotton cloth, apply a neutral oil such as canola or vegetable to all surfaces, top, sides, and bottom of your griddle. That does not sound like it is pre-seasoned. Oh, first time use. Your Weber griddle comes pre-seasoned and ready to use. Your griddle will build up an additional seasoning layers with each cook. Okay, so that's just actually a thing for seasoning it later. Okay. For optimal results, we recommend following the seasoning process detailed below at least 2 more times before regular use. All right. So for the record, I have said that. I am not going to do that because I am hungry and I have stuff to do. So it looks like A, remove grates. B, place grate in. That's a weird illustration. C, that is for an upgrade I don't have. D is to cook. E is to clean. F is to, I guess, dry it off. I can accept that. I like how they have the same pictures in French. So these are French pictures, these are English pictures, and I guess these are Spanish pictures. That's neat. So let me put this in the house so it doesn't blow away. And then let's fire this thing up. All right, you guys ready? let's do it. I'm just gonna give this a quick scrub here, and we'll take the top rack off. I'm gonna set this, where am I gonna set this? Over here. We're just gonna make a mess out of everything. And as the pictures illustrated, take these grates out as well. I gotta go reference the picture to see which way it goes in. I already forgot. Okay, these little venti holes go towards the front. So this goes in like that. And this drops in like that. I am pleased. So I tell you what, let's fire this up. I tell you what, I am gonna get just a damp cloth and let's wash any factory oil off of this real quick. This is just a clean, damp rag. Okay. Nice and clean. I feel good about that. See? So, let's go ahead. Let's give it a good heat cycle. I picked these up too because this might replace my Blackstone, and my Blackstone hardware, which is all plastic, might be sent down the road on old Facebook Marketplace, and I'll send that hardware with it. I don't know. But I'm gonna let this get preheated. I'm gonna go inside and sanitize these. And then we're gonna make a BLT. I love that new griddle smell. Yeah. Well, let's turn it down a little bit. I don't know, I want medium heat today. And let's start out with some bacon. We're going with this Right brand bacon because when you're right, you can't be wrong. And for BLT, I like thick cut. And this is certainly thick cut bacon. All right, you ready? There we go. There we go. All right, Weber, do your thing. Close the lid. Go inside and get some other stuff ready. All right, it's been a couple of minutes. Let's see how we're doing here. There's a little bit of sticking. That's probably due to the wrong temperature. Ooh, that's actually easier than the tongs. Nah, it's not. Oh yeah. Come on. There we go. Man, this smells amazing. And this has a double awesome effect to it because I'm not inside the house smoking it up, making it all bacony, and then you're hungry for the rest of the day because you just keep smelling bacon and you're like, oh, I want more. You guys know what I mean. There's that. All right, well, we've got issues. Yesterday was about 74 degrees, which is not hot, but pretty nice for March. My camera overheated and shut down. So I'm missing some footage, and I really didn't want to lose this video, so I'm going to kind of explain to you what I did. I did get some bread from the bakery, fresh sliced. I toasted that up on the griddle. Worked very well. Just used some butter, did a bunch of flips until it was nice and golden brown. Finished cooking my bacon. Got the freshest tomato I could find at Kroger from March in Ohio, and some nice green leaf lettuce. It was good. You're about to see, I did go get a second camera, and so there is a real outro for you here coming up. But one of the things that I lost in that footage was I said something. I wanted to encourage people, not just for cooking, but in any aspect of their life. And actually, since I've lost that footage, I did have a chance to turn a story into this motivation, so perhaps it was meant to be. And I just want to read this for you. This is about my appliance delivery that I actually mentioned a few weeks ago in the breakfast pizza video. So just hold tight. I want to see if people will agree with me. So yesterday, I had an appliance delivery, and the team of guys who dropped my new stuff off were so cheerful that their energy reflected on me and made my energy better. Now, I was already having a good day, and I was cheerful as well, but perhaps they felt the same way. Matter of fact, I think they did, because he told me. Moral of the story is this: by simply being the best you that you can be, that makes all the people around you better. Take a step back and realize that you don't have bad days, you have bad moments. And the bad moments are going to happen. But don't be emotionally lazy. Work through them and get back to being the best you that you can be. And I think that in today's times, we all could use a little bit of a motivation, something kind of life hacky. Just go out there and be the best you can be. You don't always have to be 100%, but you know, if the best you are is 75%, that's what it is about sometimes. And, you know, you really got to work through the stuff that's bothering you. There's nothing wrong with that. And if you want to be the best for people in your life, you can't give away something that you don't have. So you got to take care of yourself. I just wanted to say that. I hope you all are well. As my sign-off says in all of my videos, I truly want the best for everybody. Now, let's see how this BLT came out on the Weber Griddle conversion. Well, we've got issues. My camera in the sun shut down because it got too hot, and I have absolutely no idea where you guys got cut off. Oops. So, learning curve for me, but just because I want to make sure to get this out to you, I went and grabbed a second camera. So yeah. Super pleased with how it cleaned up. Super pleased with how it cooked. Look at that guy. I love how the grease tray integrates with the regular grease tray. Man, my phone is blowing up. Someone needs me. Sorry about the mess. Like I said, I haven't cleaned up anything for summer. But yeah, so maiden voyage, I would recommend this. Like I said, like I hope I said, I don't know when the camera shut off. They make the same conversion for other Weber grills, not just this one. So if you clicked on this video because of the Weber name, you're still in luck. Kind of look at this. Yeah, pretty good. Let me Let me get a tripod rigged up here real quick and see what we did. All right, I am sorry about all the camera issues, guys, but that's pretty good. Really gonna have to squeeze this down. Oh, Sadie, that's for you. Let's go bacon. I'm pleased. So I did this all outside, didn't smoke up the house. Easy cleanup, integrated grease tray, which you don't have in a skillet in the house. Couldn't have done this in one pan. I recommend this if you're thinking about getting a griddle, don't want to spend the money on a whole new device. Weber, good job. You got my thumbs up. Got a loyal customer. I'm in no way sponsored. I do this in my own prerogative. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. Until next time, be well.